Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, as I have already told you, that it is moving in a range of $3 and a $2 zone. Okay, and if you look at this chart, we have seen this zone we have not seen since Jan of 2023. After that, what we have seen, it has tried to move further down, but it already takes a swing at a level of $2.065. This is where it moves down below, and then from there a swing form that is tries, and then from there it tries to move upside. Okay, chances are very high it can go further upside. As you can see, a U pattern is forming. After that, we have seen a swing is forming at this particular level, so we can see a probability that it can go further upside. Till the time it is not moving below a level of $2.065, we will not see there is further downfall. Okay, as of now, we have seen since 2 days, we have seen there is green candles are forming, so probability can be high. We can see it can move further upside. Before we move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Okay, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, if you look at this particular chart, I was explaining you since my first videos that whenever hit its previous high after pandemic, this pattern has created. Okay, that whenever hit its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall comes, and from there it form a swing. This sharp fall is from 10, 20 to even 50 to 100% fall we have seen in the price of natural gas. And now after the fall, what it did, it create a swing, move upside and make a new high. After that, again a fall comes, a swing form, move upside and a fall comes, and this is being repeated for 4-5 times continuously. After that, it made a high of around $9.9. From there we have seen there is a continuous fall. Why I'm repeating with this? Because you should understand how the natural gas price is moving, and this is the period after pandemic the volatility is huge. Okay, because few of the factor was Fed was continuously increasing the rate. Okay, USD dollar getting strengthened, and the Russia and Ukraine war is the situation where the price of natural gas import and export balance are creating a problem in the volatility, as well as volatility in the natural gas prices. Chances are very high that we can see it can go further upside. As we can see, a swing is forming, so we can see it can go further upside towards $2.286, which is already being tested here. So chances of going further upside is there, and we can see it can cross a level of $2.361, which is already a weak resistance. So chances are high it can cross that particular zone, and it can go above a level of $2.425. Okay, so that we can see it can go further upside, and chances of touching a level of $2.491 is there. Keep that in mind. Once the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside, and chances are very high it can go further high towards a level of 2.789. Keep that in mind. Once the price move above level of $2.491, chances of touching 2.729 is there, and once started moving upside, then we can see it can touch a level of around $2.834. Why I'm telling you all these points? Because you have to understand, you cannot think that the market will go in one direction. Always try to trail your SL. Okay, these are the some of the resistance. From there a bounce back can come, but if this level sustain, chances of going further upside is there. So once it sustain above a level of $2.829, chances of going towards $2.880, and then we can see it can touch a level of around $3.056. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, it can go further upside. See, this is the level. Once it sustain above this level, it can go further high towards a level of around 3.046. After 3.056, we can see a level of $3.313 to a level of around $3.4222. Okay, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can move further upside. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. Now see, as I've already told you that the market will not move in one direction or the other. Sharp it will not move. It will only move sharp when there is big event is coming, or some war situation is there, some pandemic type of situation. Then only we can see a sharp fall or sharp rise can happen, but otherwise it will move upside. If it has to move like this, hold for some time, then it will move, it will come down, hold for some time, then it will. And always remember, if you are in profit, try to trail your profit so that you should not wipe out your profit as well as your capital. And always set your SL for a particular trade for a particular day or week so that your capital should not be wiped out. That is very important. Now suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, so we can see this next support coming at around $2.3, $2.23, and if that level also move further down, then we can see it can touch a level of around $2.143, and if that level also move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of $2.086. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below that below a level of $2.086, it can go further low, because that is where the point that once started falling below 2.806, then is where we have, that is where we can see it can go towards 2.031 and then further down, and it will come in this particular zone. So chances are very high it can go towards a level of $1.914 to a level of 1.843. Keep this in mind. Once started falling below $2, then only we can see it can move further low. Otherwise it will sustain in a zone of $3 and $2. So once started moving below 1.843, then we can see a level of $1.775 to a level of 1.673. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular zone, we can see it can go further low towards a level of $1.577, and because this is already a weak support, so chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see it can go further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and thank you.